Hey everyone, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my winter makeup routine. This is my pretty much everyday routine for my new dry skin. So if you want to see everything I use in this winter time, you're in the right place. Just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, which is kind of silicone feeling, but I do really like it because it is hydrating. It really smooths out my skin and I've been loving this being on Accutane and having dry skin. For foundation, I take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, which is my new recent favorite, like my new recent discovery with my dry skin. I really like this. I apply it all over my face and everything with my Real Techniques Diamond Sponge, which is also my favorite because it just blends my foundation beautifully. This is a very light foundation, but you can build it up to be more medium to full coverage, which I love, and it's just very nice on my skin. It keeps it hydrated and it just looks so beautiful. I love it. Then for concealer, I take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is like my everyday concealer. I still love the Tarte Shape Tape, but I don't like to use it every day because it is a little bit of thicker concealer. It's thicker. So I apply this on the high points of my face, including under my eyes. And yeah, so I just like to conceal with this. And then I blend it out with my sponge, of course. This is like my new favorite concealer because it's lightweight and perfect for every day. Then I lightly set my face for my dry skin because I don't like putting on too much powder because then it makes my skin too dry. So I like to use the Fit Me Loose Powder, which I think is perfect for dry skin. It never dries me out. I love this powder. It just looks so beautiful and it really just smooths out my skin and just makes it look great and not emphasized with my dry skin. Then I like to prime my eyes with my Lorac Behind the Scenes Eyeshadow Primer, and then I go on to eyeshadow. Before I do my eyeshadow, I like to do my brows real quick, so I just use the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I just put this on my brows. I first brush them up, and then I brush them like the correct way, just brush them out and everything. And I love this little brow gel. It is my favorite, and it's a really good brow gel. Finally, onto eyeshadow. I'm using the Tartelette Toasted Palette, which is my new favorite for winter, and I'm taking s'more and blending it all the way up to my brow bone to set the lip, also to highlight and everything. Then I'm taking Cozy and Warmth and placing that into my crease and a little bit into the outer corner to add depth and warmth into the eyes. Now I'm going to take the color Flame and place this all over my lid. This is probably my favorite like shimmer and just favorite color in general in this palette. I just place it all the way up to my crease but not going into the crease. I love this. It just adds that wham bam like shimmer and also warmth to this look, which I love. Then I like to take Crackle and put that in my outer corner and my outer V and just really blend that in there to give it some depth and darkness to the outer corner, which I love. Then I'm just going to take whatever's left on my brush and blend everything out to make sure there are no like harsh lines at all. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Park Princess Bronzer and apply it all over my like hairline and all over my cheekbones, side of my nose, a little bit under my lip to define, and on my neck, you know, jawline, all that kind of fun stuff. And I'm just gonna bronze up with this. I like applying bronzer pretty much every day. It's just that one step that really gives you like just a chiseled, but also gives you definition to your face. Next, I take some blush, and I take my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Concept, which is one of my favorites. It's like a pinky warm color. I never know how to describe blushes, but I really love this blush. It's just so pretty, and it looks so pretty on the face, and just so natural, which I love. Then for highlight recently with my dry skin, I've been loving something more moisturizing, and then I always set it with a powder. So I take my Milk Makeup highlighter stick and it's lit, and just put this on all the high points of my face, cheekbones, above my eyebrows, chin, cupid's bow, nose, just all the high points. And then I just blend this out with my sponge that I used earlier. I don't know why I didn't show the highlight, but the highlight I used is the Casey Holmes and Smashbox collaboration, and this is in Pearl. It's one of the Spotlight palettes, which has been my favorite for a very long time and everything. And I just dust that all over my face and the high points just to set that highlighter, and then I always take a powder brush to blend everything out and make sure it's not too much. Then I like to take an eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I don't do this every day, but I try to. And then I'm using my Clinique Flutter Lash to Full Mascara. And this is like a 3-step thing. You turn it to the first power, and then you apply one layer, then you turn it to second power, do the same thing, apply it, and then you do the third, and then you apply it. This kind of just gives you almost fake eyelash look, and I've been recently loving this mascara so much, so I always tend to use this and everything, so it's one of my favorites. It's honestly such great mascara. Totally would recommend getting it. It is amazing. Back to the eyes, I like to highlight my brow bone and also my inner corners with Sunrise. I love this color because it's a nice white color, but it's not like too stark white. It kind of gives you that natural glow to your brow bone and also your inner corners, which I love. And lastly, for liquid lipstick, I still like liquid lipsticks. I just make sure to hydrate my lips. And the liquid lipstick I'm going to be taking today is the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild, and this one is in Rebel Rose, just a nice rosy mauve, which I love. And then to finish off the look, I always like to use setting spray. My favorite is the Milani Make It Last. It is just the setting spray that keeps my makeup on all day. It's the only one that actually works for me, so yeah, totally would recommend. And then I like to take a sponge, then just go over everything to make it more natural. And then I take my hair down and flop it around. And yeah, this is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my everyday look that I love to wear whenever I wear makeup, which isn't every day, but it's sometimes almost every day. And I love this look, so I hope you liked it too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see next, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!